Alright guys, I'm doing a quick recipe today. So this is the Instant Pot recipe. So I have broccoli here, carrots, onion. That is, it was on sale. It was stewed pork stew. And basically we got canned tomatoes, chickpeas, corn, mushrooms, and red beans. Red kidney beans. And then what we're going to do is we're going to season it. I'm going to throw it all into the Instant Pot, and that's going to make the meat pretty much fall off. Like, there's no bones, but it's going to like be very, very tender. And it's going to be seasoned with things like cumin, garlic salt, celery salt, a little bit of pepper, just to give it a little bit of flavor to it. Yeah, so stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got the carrots in there right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually not use the broccoli tops. I'm actually going to use the stems and actually cut them in there. It gives it a nice crunch. So that's why I'm going to use the stems, cut it up just like I did with the carrots, and then save the tops for something else. I'm going to use the whole onion and put that in, and then yeah, I'll season all with the meat. So stay tuned. Guys, so check this out. So the meat's in there, the onions are all in there. There's the broccoli stem. Now we're going to season it. We're going to put in the beans, the mushrooms, the stewed tomatoes, the chickpeas, and yeah. And then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so check it out. It's all ready to go. I'm going to add some more water to it just so you get enough fluid. And remember, it's a stew, so you want to actually add some water to it. So I'll be right back. Alright, so as you can see, I got enough water in there. Just make sure you have enough water. I got parsley, thyme in there as well, some more salt, and yeah, we're ready to go. So I'm going to hit the poultry button on the Instant Pot, and as you can see here, there is a poultry button right there. So alright guys, stay tuned. I'll be back and do a quick taste test when it's ready. Alright guys, it's all done. As you can see, it's nice and warm and steaming. The broth is so clear. It has a nice aroma from the onions. I'm going to do a quick taste test for you guys. Wow, that is good. The flavors is all melded in there. You get the taste of everything, like the carrots, the tomatoes really bring out that flavor in this. But yeah, check out how clear that is. It is awesome, guys. The mushrooms are good. So I used a lot of seasoning to get that sort of taste going, and the cumin and all that. Oh, it's amazing, guys. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.